Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.